In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow site window management permission on Google Chrome. This permission lets certain websites arrange, open or place multiple browser windows for features like multi-window workflows, screen sharing layouts, or remote access tools. It's site-specific, safe to control, and you can change it anytime. First, open the website you want to grant permission to. Go directly to the page where you plan to use its multi-window or remote features. If the site requires you to sign in, complete that first so Chrome knows exactly which site you're adjusting. Keeping the site open and active helps Chrome surface the right controls later. Next, click on View Site Information in the address bar. This is the small icon to the left of the URL. Depending on your Chrome version, it may look like a lock, a tuning slider, or a security indicator. Clicking it opens a panel with quick controls and a link to more detailed settings. If you don't see the icon, make sure you're on a secure page that begins with HTTPS and not viewing a special Chrome page. Then select Site Settings from that panel. Chrome will open a dedicated settings page just for this site, listing all of the permissions it can request. Here's where you fine-tune access. Look for the option called Window Management. If you see it set to Ask or Block, change it to Allow. This grants the site permission to open or position windows when needed. If you don't immediately see window management, scroll the permissions section or use the page search. In some cases, this permission appears only after the site has tried to use a multi-window feature, so you may need to trigger the feature on the site once and then return here to allow it. If the setting still doesn't appear, update Chrome to the latest version and try again, as newer builds expose this control more consistently. After you've allowed it, go back to the site and refresh the page. Many sites check permissions on load, so a quick reload ensures your change takes effect right away. When the site next needs to arrange windows, it should proceed without prompting, or you'll see a one-time confirmation banner. If you ever want to tighten controls, revisit site settings and switch window management back to Ask or Block. Remember, your choice applies only to this specific website and won't affect others. That's it. You've opened the site, viewed its information, and used site settings to allow window management so the site can handle multiple windows smoothly.